everyone, welcome back to another video from How to Fix Online. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to fix network error in Capcut. In order to fix Capcut network error, the first thing to do is to check your internet connection. Go ahead and check your Wi-Fi signal or your mobile data. Turn on your mobile data or your Wi-Fi and make sure that you've connected to a stable internet. You can also try switching between a mobile data or a different network if your internet doesn't work currently. If you are in a region with restricted access, a VPN can be a help to bypass those blocks. Simply go ahead and download any VPN from your App Store or your Play Store. Select the VPN you'd like to download for your device, and once you've got it, simply go ahead and connect to a different location in order to use Capcut, even if it's restricted in your area. Another thing you can do is to update your Capcut application. Try to stay on top of the latest bug fixes and compatibility updates by going to your App Store or your Play Store and searching for Capcut. Look if there is any updates available for the application. If you see an update button instead of open, simply tap on the update button to download the latest version of Capcut. Once you've done that, you might be able to fix your issue. Simply tap on the open button and try connecting to your Capcut. Sometimes a fresh start might fix all of your issues at once. Try clearing your cache and data from your mobile device. Launch Open Settings application and then go ahead and tap on General. Tap on iPhone storage from the list, and once the iPhone storage page loads up completely, go ahead and look for Capcut and tap on it. Now tap on the Offload App button and confirm by tapping on Offload App one more time in the pop-up. Now once it is done, go ahead and tap on Reinstall App and wait for the application to reinstall on your device. Once it is done, you might be able to fix your Capcut issue. So those were some of the fixes you can go ahead and perform if you're having network error in Capcut. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.